Most beginners can't find deals because they are looking in the wrong places.
We are breaking down exactly how to find your first BRRRR deal. Same system that we built while working full-time jobs and raising our families.
When your buy box is clear, Drew, those deals just start jumping out at you.
This is the part that nobody teaches beginners. You can literally train the market to send you deals. This is like a gold nugget right here.
Yeah. Okay, so most beginners can't find deals because they are looking in the wrong places. No structure, no real system. Today, we gonna fix that.
Absolutely. We are breaking down exactly how to find your first BRRRR deal. Not how to analyze it, not how to rehab it, literally how to find it. This is the same system that we built while working full-time jobs and raising our families.
Yeah, bro. And so look, number one, finding deals starts with this important criteria, your buy box.
Yes.
Without this, everything just looks random.
Absolutely. And people are like, well, how do I get a buy box? Here's the simplest buy box for a first-time BRRRR investor. And this will be refined over time. Single family home, 2 to 3 beds, 1 to 2 baths, under a set price point, bread and butter neighborhoods, light to medium rehab.
Yes, sir. And when your buy box is clear, Drew, dude, those deals just start jumping out at you. You're not scrolling endlessly. You're filtering. So
absolutely,
once you've got that buy box, the next question is, where do I actually find these deals?
Yeah, for sure. There's really only 3 consistent sources. Everything else is just noise.
Yeah, a lot of noise, and there's a lot of noise out there. But the number one most consistent source is the tried and true MLS. It still continues to be the number one place that beginners can find their first deals. And so if you have an agent, this is what you should be asking them for. Get daily alerts, get price drop alerts, okay? Set keywords like as is, investor specials, distant owner, need some TLC, handyman work preferred, okay? Or look for keywords like the home has been sitting for 90 plus days.
Awesome. And to be honest, your agent is going to plug you into that deal. But if they don't know the buy box, they cannot help you.
Yeah, man.
So the other piece too is wholesalers. Those guys are a gold mine for BRRRR deals. And if they know exactly what you want, you can get those deals directly from wholesalers. You got to join every email list. You've got to reply to their texts. They don't want to be left on red for sure.
Don't do that.
And you got to tell them what your buy box is. Tell them that you close. You are a closer. They don't want, they don't like to be messed around with, right?
Yeah, bro. I mean, who does, right?
I know, 100%. And you got to build rapport. Have a conversation with them. Let them know that you're serious. Let them know a little bit about you. That all helps to have them top of mind when they're emailing and texting.
Yeah, bro. So as someone who got its most recent acquisition from a wholesaler, they love serious buyers. If you show them that you're real, they will send you the deals first.
Absolutely. So your quickest path to real deal flow is through relationships also. So join your local meetups. Check out Facebook groups. Find Facebook groups in your area, the city that you're trying to focus in. Look at Bigger Pockets. Bigger Pockets is a great place where other investors congregate, right? And we're all in it to win it, right? Property managers. Talk to the property managers. A lot of property managers are dealing with, you know, other real estate investors who may be trying to offload a particular property to do a 1031 exchange, or maybe they're just trying to get out of the game, right? So those are great sources. Local lenders, and then contractors as well. Contractors are out there. They're in the grind. They're in the trenches. There may be homes that they come across that maybe they don't want, or maybe there's a client that they're working with that is also trying to offload a property.
Yeah, man, that's great advice, bro. So look, real talk. Most of our deals, they come from people, not platforms, you know? So, you know, hey, what do you think, Drew?
Well, I mean, this is the part that nobody teaches beginners, but it changes everything. And you can literally train the market to send you deals. So This is exactly how you do it.
Yeah.
This is like a gold nugget right here.
Yeah. Pro
You
tip.
have to, yes, you got to give every connection your buy box. It's not a paragraph, it's one sentence. It's something like this. Hey, I'm looking for 2 to 3 beds, single family homes under 150,000 with light to medium rehab.
Nice. Yes. The second step that you've got to do is you've got to tell people your timeline. Like, I'm ready to buy within the next 30 to 60 days, something like that.
Absolutely. And then you have to tell them how to communicate, right? So send me deals by text. I reply fast. Or shoot me an email. I'll get back with you within 24 hours.
Nice. And when they do, go ahead and follow up at least once a week. Now, don't spam people. Just follow up with a quick little, hey, still looking, same criteria as last week.
Absolutely. And then when they send a deal, you have to respond, even though it's not a fit. Like I said, nobody wants to be left on red.
You're right, bro. And look, people keep sending deals to the person who answers quickly and clearly. Okay, so finding deals quickly and finding deals at all, it isn't luck. It is a weekly habit. It is a routine. So here's
Absolutely.
the exact routine that we use when we were both teaching and working full time. So on Monday, check the MLS. Start your week off there. Go through, filter through your buy box, and mark anything that fits your buy box. By Wednesday, you should be checking in with your wholesalers. If they have any decent leads, reply to them so that by Friday, you've now reviewed all these deals that you've saved during the week, and you can pick the top 2 to 3 that are worth you diving just a little bit deeper into. So
Yeah,
that by
facts.
the end of the week, Saturday, hey, possibly you can do a virtual walkthrough if you're long distance, or you can do a physical walkthrough if you're close by. Maybe ask some property managers with some further follow-up information about this by Saturday and do some basic rent comps and checks.
Absolutely. And that is a winning combination, man. If you follow this just for 4 to 6 weeks, you will absolutely find deals. Most people just aren't consistent enough to win.
Yeah, man. And so look, this is a big mistake that a lot of beginners just continue to make over and over. I mean, we see it, Drew. We talk to people. And when we talk to them, at the very beginning, they just don't know what their buy box is. They just have no clear vision of the criteria that they want to purchase. Or
Yeah, you got to have
just,
a place that
yeah,
you're aiming, right? You got to aim for something.
100%. Or they could just be relying on one source and not having multiple deal funnels.
100.
One of the other things, though, that people can really get hung up on is trying to find and trying to hit a grand slam or a home run on the very first time up, right?
Yeah.
You can just get a couple of singles. You just want to, get one
Get on
across the
base.
finish line.
Get on
Yeah,
base.
man. Yeah. And like Drew said, don't ignore people, right? That is a big thing that rookies make, right? They ignore people, they leave people on red. And that is a good, quick way to just get scratched off of people's list.
Can't
Right?
alienate people.
No. Hey, tell people that you are buying. Let everybody know. Let your family know. Let your friends know. Post it on Instagram. Post it on Facebook, right? Send people text messages and emails. Let people know that you are actively buying and you are looking for a rental property. And chances are somebody you are connected with will, possibly bring you a deal.
Absolutely.
Yeah, man. And hey, Drew talked about consistency. And so a lot of people want to quit after 2 weeks. But I'm going to tell you this, you have got to stay consistent. You've got to look at least 50 deals or maybe more before something really starts to click and you really start to hone in on your criteria and those numbers, man. So, dude,
Those are facts, man.
that's what people got to do and avoid those mistakes.
Heck yeah. Deals come to people who do those little things consistently. So
Yeah, bro.
finding your first deal often feels like it's impossible until one day it clicks and you start recognizing patterns. You spot distressed homes instantly. You know your numbers. You know the neighborhoods that you're working in. It all just starts to become much clearer because of that consistent action that you're taking.
Yeah, man. And suddenly the deals start flowing to you. It's great.
If you want our actual deal finding system and the sheets that we use for our own properties, the link is in the description.
And make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, because the next video will show you how to analyze a BRRRR deal in 5 minutes or less once you've found the one that you are looking for. So
I can't wait. That's going to be good.
For Drew, for Jordan, we are the Property Brothers. Peace.